Hello everyone, welcome. This is Betty with Oak by Bettina. Thank you all for being here with us today, Friday with Friends. It is always a pleasure to create art for you guys, and so I thank each and every one of you for taking of your time to be here with us today. I'm going to try to do a deconstructive bloom, a double deconstructive bloom. I have been watching Karen from Waterfall. She is absolutely the queen of these deconstructive blooms, so I'm trying my hardest to make her proud. This color that I have here is my base, and it is a combination of antique white, color to go. It has a little bit of bare, white dove, and some leftover blue, and that's how I got this beautiful blue color. And while I'm putting this base down, I'd like to remind you that before me was Mary Kirk from Art by Mary Kirk and Joanne Ralston from Joanne Ralston Art. Jay Whitty is taking the day off today. Please give us your thumbs up if you like what you see, and send us your comments. I'm sure we all love to read them, and we reply to them as soon as we can. As I finish off putting down my base, I'm going to start putting down my colors, and the first color that I put down is from DecoArt. I accidentally put on here that it was Liquitex, but it's actually DecoArt Quinacridone Gold Hue. It's my QNAG, like the golden QNAG. This next one is a pigment by EyeCandy, and it is the first time I use it. It's called Tiger, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Then we have Liquitex Fluorescent Pink. I did put a dot of white in it just to bring down the bright pink. And this next color that I'm putting down is another pigment by EyeCandy, and it's Imperial Gold. EyeCandy has several gold colors, but this one is my favorite from their collection of golds. And this next one, again, it's DecoArt Quinacridone Violet, another beautiful color. And this last one is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. The activator that I'll be using is Amsterdam Lamp Black, and I do mix it with Australian Floetrol. At this time, I'm going to put up the music and let you enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you at the end with the dry results. I think I did it, guys. I did my first double deconstructive bloom. I hope I made Karen from Waterfall proud. Those pigments are amazing. Look at that. That's the tiger. And the gold is, the Imperial gold is everywhere. That hot pink is gorgeous also, peeking out. You have the blue. We got a little green there. Those cells are amazing. And this side is beautiful as well. That's the smaller bloom. Okay guys, wait for the dry results.